Yeah, respect it. Yeah, if you don't respect it, I'm gonna have to hack it. Yeah, I'd have to check it. Yeah, check it. Yeah, respect it. Respect it. Respect it. Respect it. Respect it. Yeah. I be respecting it. Yeah, respect the drawing. Respect to everyone. Respect the song. Respect the game. Respectful bro. Respectful. Yeah, I got to respect. I got to respect. I got to reject. Respect. Yeah, respect. Yeah, respect it. Respect it. Shrek. With the foot on like boing, with that boing, 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 boing. Yeah. People ask me, when am I gonna, well, no one really asked me, but like, when am I gonna release, playing Subway Surfers until I die, part 8, I will sometime, so, yeah, respect it, yeah, respect it, yeah, I gotta check it, yeah, I do be respecting it, respect it, yeah, respect it. Yeah, we be respecting it up in this house. Up in my dog wearing a blouse. Yeah. Cow, I be laying on the couch, respecting it. Respecting everything and the TV. Watching Shrek on the telephone, on the telly. Yeah, sipping tea from my water bottle does not actually have water in it because it's tea.